So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is Aniket Vishwakarma, and today in this video we'll be doing unboxing and review of a Timex watch which I bought from Flipkart long back. So as you can see, this is a Timex watch, and this has cost me around close to 700 rupees, but the real MRP listed on this is around 2495 rupees. So I thought it will be a good buy. Just let me focus and show you. As you can see, 2495 rupees, and this I had bought from Flipkart sale, and some sale was going on, so I bought from over there. So I thought of making a video on it, and let's do it now, guys. So as you can see, the box somewhat looks like this. As you can see, Timex branding is over there, and many like fake copy of this is there, and for this Timex and also just want to be sure that it is original, and just want to check it, guys. So let's open the watch, guys, now. So as you can see, the box like opens somewhat like this, and as you can see, the watch is over there. It is front only. So just let me remove it. Let's start off making a video like on the terrace. So this look this one, guys. So this is the Timex watch, guys. It looks real, guys. No, it looks original, not duplicate one, in my opinion. Let me focus and show you. As you can see, this is a Timex watch, and over here also they have listed it is 2495 rupees, and some barcode and all there. As you can see, Timex branding is over here. Just let me, I'll come back to the watch, guys, in a moment. Let me keep it over here. Let us see what else do we get inside. Just let me keep it over here. So as you can see, some paperwork. So if you want, you can just read out. I want to see the warranty, some seals here now. So this is the paper, guys. So big paper here, as you can see. Show you. So you have all the thing in this, all the guide. You can just check out if you want, and I'll just keep this thing aside. Let us come to the watch pack. So as you can see, just let me remove sticker first. Where can I keep the sticker? Let me keep it over here. So this is the watch, guys. As you can see, let me focus it. Yeah, so you will be able to see now. So as you can see, Timex, and it is working, right? No. Okay, they have put this thing, this thing, so it is not working. Okay, we'll do that later, no problem. So as you can see, this is something they have written backside. Just let me focus and show you. So they have written this Timex and USA, and it is stainless steel back, and it is waterproof, and so on and all. And over here the strap, let us look the strap. On the strap also they have put some sticker and also just to protect from scratches and all. And over here, let us open this if we can now. Okay, guys. Okay, so as you can see, the length of this watch is so much. Let me focus and show you. Yeah, so this is the thing, length. So as you can see, it looks really good, guys, actually, for this amount, because this Timex brand is look like it is very good, and it looks original, not duplicate for me. So that is good, actually. And over here also, again, stainless steel branding. Let me focus. Yeah, over here, and over here also you can see Timex branding is there. So it's good, actually. It looks really good, and the watch looks really amazing, guys. As you can see, amazing, guys. Let's check out this. Yeah, so this has cost me around 700 rupees, and the real MRP of this is 2495, right? Just let me check out again. Yeah, it is 2495 rupees. So if you want to buy this watch, you can just check out the description. In the description section I have given all the links, so if you want to check, you can just check out the watch over there. Yeah, guys, so I think it's a really good watch. It looks sturdy also, guys, as you can see. I'm just doing this like this. Yeah, so looks good, guys. I think it will be a good buy for me. What do you think? This is original or a duplicate? Just tell out in the comment section, and I'll be just checking out. So yeah, guys, this is all for the video now, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. Also click the bell icon to get all my videos regularly. So this is all for the video, guys. Take care and bye bye.